Question number 1.
The instructor requested that every paper submitted electronically. A is B, B, C was.
Question number 2.
The conference was after several speakers canceled. A put off B, put on C, put through.
Question number 3.
Elena is grateful her neighbors for their help. A with B to C for.
Question number 4.
Only after the lecture, the concept fully understood. A was B, did C, were.
Question number 5.
The entire staff expected to attend the briefing. A are B where C is.
Question number 6.
Patrick decided to take cooking during the holidays. A over B, up C off.
Question number 7.
Students must analyze the problem, propose solutions and conclusions. A, drawing, EB, draw, C, drawn.
Question number 8.
The team depends accurate data for decision-making. A in B, on C, at.
Question number 9.
The family divided on where to spend the weekend. A is B, are C, were.
Question number 10.
The dean recommended that the syllabus updated annually. A is B, B, C, was.
Question number 11.
Rarely such detailed feedback provided in one meeting. A has B, was C, is.
Question number 12.
Layla had to look her younger cousins all afternoon. A after B, for C, at.
Question number 13.
The panel of examiners reviewing the final scores. A, are B, is C, were.
Question number 14.
He apologized the delay in responding to emails. A for B, about C, C to.
Question number 15.
She washed the dishes, swept the floor, and the trash. A. Taking out. B. Took out. C. Take out.
Question number 16.
Never the students encountered such a complex theorem. A. Have B. Did C. Has.
Question number 17.
The manager insisted that the budget approved before Friday. A is B. B. C was.
Question number 18.
John is accustomed living in extreme cold. A with B for C to.
Question number 19.
The faculty meeting later to discuss assessment changes. A is B, are C were.
Question number 20.
She had to back her claim with solid evidence. A, up, B, off, C, out.
Question number 21.
Neither the guests nor the host aware of the schedule change. A, are B, were C, was.
Question number 22.
The professor emphasized precision, coherence, and in research writing. A, objectivity. B, objective. C, objectively.
Question number 23.
She is skilled negotiating international contracts. A at B in C for.
Question number 24.
Hardly dinner finished when the power went out. A was B, had C, did.
Question number 25.
It is vital that every candidate follows the instructions carefully. A follows B, follow C, followed.
Question number 26.
He followed the interview with a thank you message. A on B, up, C, through.
Question number 27.
The chores were shared the three siblings. A between B, among C, with.
Question number 28.
The committee unanimous in its final recommendation. A are B where C is.
Question number 29.
Not only did she exceed expectations, but she also the deadline. A meets B met C meeting.
Question number 30.
Carlos looks forward to visiting his parents during holidays. A to visiting B, visiting C visit.
Question number 31.
The headmaster demanded that discipline enforced consistently. A is B, was C B.
Question number 32.
The proposal is aimed improving operational efficiency. A to B at C for
Question number 33.
everyone in the household agreed to the new routine. A have B has C are.
Question number 34.
Students were asked to summarize the article and their opinions. A expressing B expressed C express.
Question number 35.
The director suggested that the issue handled discreetly. A is B, B, C was.
Question number 36.
She had to get early to prepare breakfast. A, up B, on C, off.
Question number 37.
Seldom such insightful questions raised in class. A, have B, are C, has.
Question number 38.
The workforce adjusting to the new digital system. AE is B, are C, were.
Question number 39.
Kenji apologized for getting the appointment. A to B for C about.
Question number 40.
The examiner advised that unclear responses rewritten. A are B, B, C were.
Question number 41.
She is responsible coordinating international teams. A to B with C for.
Question number 42.
Only rarely the neighbors gather for a meal. A, do, B, did, C are.
Question number 43.
The course focuses on developing arguments and evidence critically. A, evaluating. B, evaluate. C, evaluated.
Question number 44.
The CEO called immediate action on the issue. A, for B, off. C, out.
Question number 45.
The guests were seated the courtyard comfortably. A on B at C in.
Question number 46.
The board insisted that academic standards upheld. A are B, B, C were.
Question number 47.
Only after the audit, the discrepancies revealed. A were B was C did.
Question number 48.
She is committed reducing household waste. A in B to C for.
Question number 49.
The research team was praised for collecting data accurately and results clearly. A, presenting. B, presented. C, present.
Question number 50.
The chairperson urged that the resolution postponed. A is B, was C, B.